Good day all. Today I will guide you how to earn massive profits using the Cryptoverse OKX Cryptopedia events. In here you can see in the new event is launched Plume Network Cryptopedia, which will be earn $300K in USDT reward pool. Let's see. Before that, you can see in my YouTube channel you can earn massive profits using the Airdrop arcade using the Bybit Web3 airdrop, and also the some of the airdrops like Hivera, Pause and Binance Learn and Earn Dexy Quiz. Please subscribe the channel and stay tuned for massive profits. Let's see what is OKX Cryptoverse. In here you can earn rewards by exploring decentralized apps across different networks with Cryptopedia OKX. There are several events you can earn rewards and also enjoy free giveaways and airdrop from the hottest project. Let's see how to join and do these tasks. First of all, go to the let's select the Plum network. In here you can earn massive profits. Please do the task. In here you can see now 16.1k users also enroll in this task. First of all, there are several criteria you need to meet. First of all, you need to have the account, and also you should hold more than 10 USDT in the Ethereum network. First of all, you need to deposit 10 USDT or more in the Ethereum network in your Ethereum network. In here you should have more than 10 USDT. Let's see how to do this task. First of all, connect your X account. This will take little bit time. After that, authorize app and your wallet is your X account will be connected. After that you can see your X account is connected. Click this tab and after that you will be redirected to the official X account next credit X account. After that, follow that X account. After that, go back to a OKX Crypto Network Plum Network task tab and click verify. Before that, keep in mind you need to have more than 10 USDT in the Ethereum network. After that, click verify and the verify transaction signature request is appear in the OKX wallet. After that, continue and click and do the security verification. After that, click OK. After that, you have DApp quest is verified. Like that, you can do these quest and earn massive profit using the Plum Network airdrop. Please like and subscribe the channel and stay tuned for future profit videos. Thank you.